Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're here in Elysian Fields, Texas today to show you guys a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,200 square foot barndominium that has really tall vaulted ceilings in the living and kitchen area, really beautiful fireplace on the interior, and you can see some of that stone on the exterior here in the background. We've got 6-foot porch on the front with a crow's foot gabled front, and then a lean-to porch off the back that's about 8 foot deep. We're gonna take you through and show you guys the finished product today. You're gonna really like the interior here. We've got quartz countertops, we've got stained wood trim and cabinets, just a lot of really nice finish outs on the interior of this home. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do that now. If you've got any questions or comments, you can leave those in the comment area below. We'd love to hear from you guys. You can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And then of course our website, 1845barndominiums.com. You can request some information and we'd be glad to get the process started with your dream home if you'd like to. So let's step inside and take a look at this Barndo in Elysian Fields, Texas. All right, so as we make our way in the front door here, this is a really beautiful living and kitchen area. You can see huge fixed windows on the back wall there in the kitchen area. A lot of natural light coming in through those windows. Really awesome light fixtures, pendant lights hanging. We've got our fan here. And then of course, we've got an indoor-outdoor fireplace. So we saw the stone on the exterior. Now you can see the interior view of this fireplace. We've got windows on both sides. Do have a hearth for us to sit on here. Wooden mantle, and you can see windows on both sides. We've got vinyl plank flooring throughout in here, and you can see the stained trim that we have throughout the house. You'll see that on the cabinetry. You'll see that on the trim as we go throughout the house. So I'm going to take you through the kitchen area first. We'll kind of do a walk around here. We've got double ovens here next to our cooktop. We've got a 5-burner range here, or cooktop, and you can see our stained cabinetry. Those are shaker style doors with stained wood. We do have a pot filler here, and then our stained wood custom made vent hood there. We do have quartz countertops in the kitchen. We have seen these countertops before in the McGarvey home. This is the same quartz used in that home. Different color schemes through the house, but you can see still matches very well with the cabinetry and the colors throughout the home. I really like this pendant light over the sink right here. Really cool addition there. Now, like we said, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You've got master on one side, then you've got the other 2 bedrooms there. But you can see here, very, very large island. We've got cabinetry for storage on one side, and then we've got overhang on the other side here with bar stools. And with this big open area, that island is plenty big for us to use as a prep and a serve island. And then we have an industrial grade refrigerator here, refrigerator freezer, with our microwave oven there next to it. And then just off the kitchen here is our pantry. So I'm going to turn the lights on in here so we can see. Got a lot of shelf space in here. Using it for some storage right now while we're getting ready to move in. But you can see we've got floor to ceiling shelving. A lot of space here, and we've got another cooler here in the pantry area. And we've custom built that shelving around that so it'll fit in there. So you can see from the kitchen area here, you've got a lot of open space, big vaulted ceiling, a lot of lighting. Perfect for hosting your family and friends. We do have some floor plugs here that we've placed for their furniture and tables and lamps. So as we make our way over here, we're going to go into the master suite now. And you can see we've got 3050 windows, no grids in those windows. A lot of customers ask us what it looks like with or without grids. This particular one we got with no grids. You can see the stained trim here on the baseboards. It also matches our stained wooden window seal, all matching throughout the house. And you can see here as we head into the bathroom area, you can see the trim around the door here is also stained. They've got mitered wood there, mitered edges. And then as we come into the master suite, we've got the same quartz countertops, double vanities there. I love those sinks. We've got our stained shaker style cabinets. As we come around here, we do have a freestanding tub with the plumbing all on the wall there. I like that setup. You can see the trim and the window seal, everything there is stained to match. And then we've got a really nice walk-in shower here. You can see the pebble floor. As we come in and as we make our way up, you can see the shelf here. This is an allowance item. As we price it, they picked the tile for the finish instead of cultured marble. They picked out that tile color, which matches their wood throughout the house. We've got some custom ledges there, storage. And then we went with standard shower heads in that shower. But you can see the colors blend really well, match really well with everything throughout the house. We also have our toilet room here, our water closet. Got some cabinetry over the toilet there for storage. And then one thing we also did that we do in a lot of our homes, a lot of customers ask for this, is pretty much a full pass-through from the master all the way into the laundry area. So we've got our master closet here. And when we come into a closet, we do try to custom fit that closet for what each customer needs. We do not have cookie cutter closets. We do have a standard look or build out or finish out that we can do, but we want to ask those customers, okay, what suits your needs? You can see we've got shelving up high there. We've got hanging rods. And then when we pan around here, we've got a custom vanity here that we built in with a lighted mirror. I'm not going to put my fingerprints all over it. They've still got the seal on it. But you can see here more shelving, custom built in here for the customer. And then also in our closet here, we've got our pull down attic access. So we've got our ladder there that we can get up and access attic storage. We can get to our HVAC if we need. Just gives us easy attic access. And then of course this is going to flow right over into our laundry room. You can see we've got our washer and dryer right there outside the closet door. We've got some storage here for baskets, folding station, and I really like this. This is a really cool hanging station here that they've got built in there out of pipe. I really like that. We've got some more storage area over here. And then we have room here in the corner if we want to put a refrigerator, freezer, whatever we want to do there. We've got some extra storage room. And of course, this is going to flow directly into our kitchen. And as we make our way back over to the other side of the floor plan, I'm going to show you bedrooms 2 and 3. Very similar, same finish outs. We've got stained wood throughout. You can see our 3050 vinyl windows, stained wood trim. And both of these bedrooms, 2 and 3, have a really good amount of closet space. So we've got upper and lower hanging rods with shelving there. That's very customary. pretty standard in most of our builds. And then we've got shoe rack, and we've actually got a plug there inside that shelving or shoe rack. And then on this side, we've just got shelving and upper hanging rod. So this customer has asked us to not put lowers on that side. And like we always say, we'll custom fit them to whatever you need. So as we come around here, in between bedrooms 2 and 3, we do have a full bath. And we've got a door between the vanity area and the toilet and shower area for some privacy. We do have double vanities here with mirrors above both. Again, everything matching, same as what we saw over in the master. Got quartz countertops, shaker panel, doors and drawers, stained wood. And then while I'm in here brushing my teeth, someone else could be in here showering. And we've got some privacy. Now we were able to get some extra storage in here in that area there. So we do have some cabinetry there. And then we have a cultured marble tub with cultured marble surround here. And this is very popular. Instead of just doing a full insert, a lot of times we do a tub with cultured marble surround. And that cultured marble, guys, is really durable, really easy maintenance. And that's why a lot of our customers choose that. And I've had some people ask us, you know, do we force people to use the cultured marble? And the answer to that is no. It's a more economical way to go. But we absolutely do not force anyone to use a cultured marble finish or tile or anything else. We try to customize our homes for what the homeowner wants. Now in our last bedroom here, you can see the same theme. Got another 3050 window there with stained window seal. And then the closet area, again, just to show you the difference, this is not identical to the other bedroom. So in this particular closet, we do have a shoe rack with electrical plug there. We have upper and lower with shelving on this side. But in this closet, they said, you know what, let's do uppers and lowers here. So again, we want to customize that to fit each homeowner. So whatever they ask us for, that's what we're going to do. So that's pretty much the walkthrough tour of this home. I'm going to give you another panorama of the living area over into the kitchen area. And I'm going to head out to the back porch here and just kind of show you what we've done out here. Standard finish out on the porch area, but I want to show you anyway. So if we come out here, the first thing I want to show you are the soffits. A lot of people ask us, what do those porch soffits look like? So this particular build, we've matched the color of the home. A lot of times we try to do that. If we've got a white and black, we like to do the white soffits, but homeowner gets to choose. So again, we customize it for what they want. If they have a particular color they want on those soffits, no problem, we can do it. We've got electrical outlets here on the back. So we do ask our customers, we go through a process with our customers of trying to make sure we get all the details correct. We've got exterior hose bibs. We have electrical outlets. We have wall sconces or door sconces here. So all of our porches have electrical, soffits, and whatever else a homeowner would like to add. If we want to put 220 electrical outlets on a porch, we can do that. We want to make sure that whatever's on that porch is what you need. All right, so I'm going to make my way back through the living room here and head out the front door. That's going to take care of us for today. And we'll step outside and wrap this thing up. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour today. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our tour today out here in Elysian Fields, Texas. Again, we've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,200 square foot barndominium with a lot of nice finish outs on the interior. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do that now. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave those in the comment area below. You can check us out on social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And then if you or anybody you know would like to get the process started of getting their dream home built, you can go to our website, 1845barndominiums.com, and click on request a quote. You can send us some information, some generalities about what you want to build, and we can help you get the process started of making your dream home a reality with 1845 Barndominiums. Thanks for watching this week. We'll see you guys again next time.